In this video I will show you how to make this cute little heart. You can make these heart with same pattern, in different sizes using different yarns and corresponding hook size. You can use these hearts in different places, like you can use these heart appliques on sweater or blankets, or can hang it in the car or next to the mirror, or can use as a bag charm, can be used as a fridge magnet, or add a cute touch to your MacBook or a laptop. Reminder: don't use too much. May damage the laptop or the MacBook, or you can even add them earring or a necklace. You can sew a bunch of them together to make a garland. You can also use to embroider onto your amigurumi. If you are a beginner to learning crochet, you can watch 5 different ways to make magic rings with full guidance on my YouTube channel.
You can follow this pattern and make it with thicker yarn and bigger hook size and hang it in car or next to the mirror or anywhere you want. At this point, tie a knot here twice, then you can hang it anywhere.
I have a 2mm magnet and that's what I'm using, but a 6 or 7mm size would be best for a fridge magnet.
Have a nice day! Thanks for watching the video.